welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Zenbook S13 OLED. So friend, ASUS has announced the new Zenbook S13 OLED, the world's Slimmest 13.3-inch OLED laptop, and it is also the most eco-friendly Zenbook ever. Takes the brand's signature quality of their ultra-portable design, sustainability and on-the-go performance. And friend, with a world-beating super slim 1 cm profile and super light 1 kg chassis, the sophisticated Zenbook S13 OLED delivers no compromise performance, connectivity and battery life, making it the epitome and ultra-portable design and finish in brand new Basalt Gray or classic pounded blue. And friend, it will becomes with 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1 TB PCIe 4.0x4 SSD, and there is a full set of I/O ports for on-the-go connection and long-lasting 63-hour battery. And for immersive, true-to-life visuals, it has a gorgeous 16:10 2.8K ASUS Lumina OLED display that is Dolby Vision certified with Pantone Validated color rendering and VESA DisplayHDR True Black 500 certification, ensuring incredible detail and the deepest black levels. And friend, 2 ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports support fast charging, 4K external display and up to 40 Gbps data transfer, and there is also a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port and HDMI 2.1 port and a 3.5mm audio jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.